If your plumbing company is tunneling under your house to replace old pipes, your foundation could be in serious danger. Here's what they won't tell you. Those massive tunnels that they dig leave huge sections of your slab completely unsupported.
Once the job is done, they try to fill it back in, but the soils cannot be compacted the same way. You'll notice large quantities of dirt being taken away from your property, and not all of it comes back.
When that happens, you're looking at jackhammers through your floors, piers installed inside your house, and often tens of thousands in repair. And even though their work caused it, most plumbing companies are not liable. It's in their fine print of their contract.
And that's why you need us involved before the plumbing repair starts.
By installing support piers inside the tunnels before they backfill, you save the expense and mess of installing piers through your floors, and also provide permanent support against the foundation sinking into the tunneled area. Call Williamson Foundation Repair before the digging begins. We'll protect your home from the ground up with a lifetime warranty to prove it.